Hi guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this Traveler's Notebook sticker album. So it's really easy. I made this for a mug swap that I'm in. It's basically what a Traveler's Notebook, and inside I have two strings and they both are carrying a photo album that's measured at 4x6. These photo albums are from Walmart, so they're like only 84 cents. So if you're not into Traveler notebooks, you can put stickers, you can put die cuts, you can put your dies in here and then change them out whenever you go to a crop or whenever you're traveling. So it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need is one sheet of letter size paper, and basically you cut it to 6.5 height, and then that's it. And then you do a 5-inch cut and then a 1-inch cut, and then you're left with another 5-inch piece, which is your front cover, your middle binding, and then your back cover. So I already cut it out and it looks like this. These images are from the Mommy Lay May Digi Kit, and I'll put all the links in the description box below. So basically here's my 6.5 by 5-inch, my 1-inch, and another 5-inch piece of paper. So I already have my laminator on right here, and then I have my 3mm, that's the thickness, laminating sheet. And then I'm gonna work on this surface right here, only because this is pretty much almost the same height as the lip of my laminator, and it makes it easy to load my projects without it moving into the laminator itself. So here is the sheet, and then I just open it up, and then I'll do the back cover first right here, and then I just make sure it's flush with this edge, and then I enter the middle, and then I leave about 1/8 of an inch gap because that's where the album will be folding. And then I get the front cover, and I make sure there's another 1/8 of an inch gap right there, and that should be enough room for your whole paper to fit. And there's like about 1/8 of an inch border right here left, so it fits perfectly. Just make sure everything is lined up and almost straight. I think that's okay. And then I turn it around, and I push up my laminator here, and then I just feed it through. Okay, it's done, and then this is what it looks like. You could run it through a second pass in your laminator, but you don't have to, so that's fine with me right there. And if you don't have a laminator, you could use a self-adhesive laminating pouches, and that works just as well too. So, and then now I'm just gonna cut a little border at the top, and then another one on the bottom, and then it's a little bit crooked. Let me just trim this off. Okay, there is your album. Then I'll just fold the creases here. Okay. Okay, and then to make it into a traveler's notebook, I have my hole puncher here, and I use the smaller hole punch. And then I just eyeball it. So it looks like that. Then on the other side. Okay. And then I need to punch a hole in the middle, so I'll just use my big bite for that. And it's this one right here. And then I just have this white elastic cord here. And it's cut about 15 inches. And then let me just run it through. Let's see. Run both ends. One end in each hole like this. So it looks like that. And then I get the right string, put it through this hole, and then in the other one. Okay, and then just tie a knot. Sorry guys, I had to switch over to a voiceover because my little one was talking over me. But anyway, so I grabbed the second cording, and that's measured about 15 inches. I get both ends and I run it through that hole together. And then here I'm just trying to see how tight or how loose I want the cording to be around the album. And then you just have to play with it. You don't want it too loose or too tight. If it's too tight, then when you put your inserts in your little albums, the thicker they are, then that string around the album will cut into the edges of your cover. So anyways, just play around with it. And here I think I got the right length in, and then I just tied a knot, and then I trimmed off the ends with my scissors, and that's it right there. Okay, so now I go ahead and grab the two 4x6 albums, and then I start to just go ahead and insert it into the binding, and that's pretty much it. It's so easy. Like I said, you can buy several of these albums and put whatever dies, die cuts, stickers you want in it, and just change them out for whatever project you intend to work on. So here is another album that I finished, and this is again using the Mommy Lay May kit. And yeah, I just stored all my Mommy Lay stickers in there, and it's really cute. I really like that mermaid, so I made one for me, and then that other mermaid one is for my bestie Rena. That panda one is the one I'm going to be inserting in my Christmas mug swap. And I hope you guys give this a try. It's so easy. It only takes one sheet of paper, and like I said, you don't need a laminator. So give this a try, and thanks for watching. Bye.